What's going on, everybody? Happy New Year. Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club, and today marks the start of the first weekend of 2020. And if you follow my channel at all, you can probably tell that I've been on a bit of a hiatus. But it's a new year and it's time to get back to work. Alright, so there's a few things that I want to get done this weekend. First thing I want to do is get the shop cleaned up, and while I do that, I'll fill you in on what's been going on with Tulsa Moto Club while I've been away from YouTube. And then after that, I've got a bike that I need to deliver to a friend, so I'll take you along for that as well. Let's talk about the CM200 project that I took to Drew's shop to work on. It turns out that Drew ended up moving out of his shop before we got to work on it. So it's back here in my garage. Again. The plan was to get this bike running and looking good, but the fact of the matter is that the engine on this bike is shot and needs a whole lot of work that requires time and money, both of which are taken up by other projects that I've got going on right now. So the plan for the CM right now is to just get the frame up and rolling and looking good, and we'll worry about the engine further down the road. I don't want to abandon this build just because I had a plan for it and I'd like to see that plan through, and I may get to execute some more creative ideas I've had for bike builds, but who knows. That's down the road and it's kind of put on the back burner right now. Now for the SR build. I haven't been in the garage too much this season, and that means that the SR has kind of been neglected. The last time I put work in on the SR, I was working on some welding repairs to the framework, and then I just ended up making things way worse. So I cut out my mistakes, bent some new tube to replace that, and now all that needs to be done is it needs to be welded into place. Unfortunately, the point in the frame where I cut still has the old slugs from the last time we did some work to it, so I've got to bore those out. I'm not sure if any welding will actually end up making in this video or not, but I did pick up a couple new drill bits that are going to help me with grinding out those old slugs. Okay, the old slugs are out and everything is good to go for welding, but I won't be getting into that today. Make sure to follow me on Instagram where I'll post the process when I get to it. Right now I've got to go pick up the truck. Alright, the truck is here, and it's time to load up the CB500 project that I brought back to my garage recently. going to my friend Ryan, who'll be using it as a parts bike primarily, but the one that I have does have a title, so who knows, maybe he and I can get together and maybe make two bikes out of the whole deal. Anyway, let's get it loaded up and get moving.
Oh man, if only it was like this light at all times.
Alright, the CB's dropped off at Ryan's and I'm back in my shop now. But that's not the last of the CB that you'll be seeing. Ryan wants to document the build, so I'll be there along for the whole process, filming and helping along with the build in any way that I can. So with that said, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. But that's it for this one. If you want more of my content, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and all that information will be linked down below in the description with the Tulsa Moto Club website. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Later.
Wow.